It was a wonderful journey. It was a mixture of emotions. It was a mixture of hard work, inspiration, learning.
My name is Tulika Ghoshal. I'm from USA, the Orlando Center in Florida. I first came in with the impression that yoga is a very easy sport. I didn't consider it as a sport either. But as time progressed and as I joined this program, I learned so much more. About what yoga really is about, how it's a lifestyle, and I think it's really changed me a lot. In this TTC program, I've learned so much. I've been so inspired by the trainers and the mentors, and I really hope to incorporate this into my lifestyle.